Hey, crypto curious, ready to ditch banks, middlemen, and that one uncle who thinks Bitcoin's a scam? Today we're diving into decentralized exchanges, aka DEX, where you control your cash, your keys, and your destiny. Spoiler, no rocket science required, just a Wi-Fi connection and maybe a snack. Let's blast off. What's a DEX? Imagine a farmer's market, but instead of zucchini, everyone's trading crypto. No CEO, no we lost your money emails. Just you, your wallet, and a bunch of strangers swapping tokens like Pokemon cards. Wild, right? Step 1. Get a wallet, not the leather kind. Step 1. Get a crypto wallet, not the one with your expired gym card. I'm talking digital, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom. Download it, set it up, and guard your seed phrase like it's the password to pro tip. Write it down, do not screenshot. Your cloud storage is not your friend here. Next, you need gas money. No, not the kind you pump. I'm talking crypto for transaction fees. Buy ETH, BNB, or whatever your chain runs on, from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Then send it to your wallet. Double check that address like it's a Venmo to your landlord. Mess it up and your crypto's on vacation forever. Head to a DEX, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap. Yes, crypto loves food puns. Click Connect Wallet. Approve it and boom, you're in. No passport uploads, no KYC, just you and the blockchain. Feels illegal. It's not, probably. Pick your token. Say ETH for that hot new meme coin. Type the amount, check the price, and hit swap. But wait, check your slippage tolerance. Too low and it fails. Too high and you might overpay. It's like haggling with a robot. Be bold, not reckless. Your transaction's zooming through cyberspace. To track it, copy the hash and paste it into Etherscan or BSC scan. If it says success, congrats. If it failed, pour one out for your gas fee and try again. This is the way. Bonus, safety tips. Don't be a horror movie victim. Quick safety rundown. 1. Never share your seed phrase. 2. Double check URLs. PancakeSwap.cc is not your friend. 3. If a token promises 1,000 times in 5 minutes, it's either a scam or a Netflix doc waiting to happen. And that's it. You're officially a DEX Pro. Smash that subscribe button. It's the only gas fee I charge. Drop a comment if you want. Part 2, how to farm yield without milking a crypto cow. Keep your keys safe and your memes safer. Peace out. Wait, how do I— oh god, the helmet's stuck.